Hello everyone, this is Jerry from Jiangxi LittleAnt Tools Company. We are professional in producing TCT saw blade and diamond saw blade. Total area of our factory is 90,000 square meters. I guess all friends know TCT saw blade is main like this. Is main used for cutting wood and rail, and diamond saw blade is main like this. Is main used for cutting stone, marble, granite, and sycamores. If all friends interested in our product, I guess you can contact me. And if you want to know more about our product, you can see more in the video. Thank you.